Let us see the explanation for previous two programs. Note that if you compare the character pointer with constant string, then they may not be equal, because the compiler may allocate separate memory for two copies of the same string. In this case, else part of the if-else statement will be executed. You see, in first program, the string Rajiv, this one, and the second string Rajiv is at different memory location. Compiler has assigned two different addresses for these two different strings. I mean, same copies of the string, compiler has assigned two different addresses. So this means P is equal to Rajiv is false, because P contains address of first string, while this is a second string which is at different memory location, and that is why this statement is false, and hence else part was executed, and that is why what's wrong was displayed. Is it clear? Now in the second program we have selected options, menu option, then compiler, code generation, merge duplicate string, and we have made this merge duplicate string to on. So right now it is on, and hence what happened is that this statement is true, because if you keep on this option, merge duplicate string, this option, if you keep it on, then in that case this string Rajiv and the second string Rajiv, they are stored at same memory location. Is it clear? So this means that duplicate string will be stored only at one place, at memory, in the primary memory. Is it clear? And that is why what happened is that this statement P is equal to Rajiv is true, and hence if part of the if-else statement will be executed, and the expected result, this message, will be displayed at DOS prompt. Is it clear? Now you may ask me one interesting question. Naturally you may ask me that how to compare this P and Rajiv without making merge duplicate string option on. Now let us execute this program. Now you see, here I have used strcmp. This is the standard library function for string comparison. Now let us place the cursor over strcmp and press Ctrl F1. This is a context sensitive help for strcmp. Now you can observe, for comparison of the two strings, you can use strcmp function. Okay, so it returns value. It returns a value that is less than 0 if s1 is less than s2. If they are equal, then it will return 0. If greater than 0, this means s1 is greater than s2. Is it clear? Well, now you see, I am executing this P. I am comparing P with Rajiv by using strcmp standard library function, and that's why I observed one thing. Here I included a string.h header file. Now execute it, and because these two strings are equal, that's why the outcome of strcmp is equal to 0, and that is equal to 0, and hence if part, I mean this printf library function is will be executed. Press F7 key and see the result at DOS prompt. You see, the printf library function has displayed the message strings are equal. So this is a standard way of comparing the strings. Is it clear to you? Thank you.